Modern mobile devices have to store dozens or even hundreds gigabytes of information from different sources, including data from chats, from WhatsApp, Viber, and other messengers. But what if some of the important WhatsApp messages have been accidentally deleted from your Android device? Is it possible to retrieve them somehow? Don't panic, as in this review we're gonna share with you these useful hints that will allow you to do it. Let's get started. For the first method, you will need to use your Android device only, which is connected to a stable Wi-Fi. If you're running Android 11, follow these steps to enable the notifications history feature. Just go to the device settings, then tap on Apps and Notification menu and choose Notification section. Next, go to the Notification History option and enable the Use Notification History feature. After completing the last two steps, you will be able to receive all future notifications from all apps, including WhatsApp. The second option is a bit more complicated than the previous one, as it requires some IT knowledge, especially in using of cloud services. To restore your chat history, you will need to confirm that a backup of your Android phone and WhatsApp in particular already exists. If so, install and open WhatsApp on your Android device and then verify your phone number. Next, tap on Restore option when prompted to restore your chats and media from Google Drive. After the process has been completed, tap on Next button. Then your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete. WhatsApp will continue restoring your media files after your chats are restored. Last but not least, the third method is much more effective, user-friendly, and less time-consuming. For this hint, you will need to download and run DroidKit utility for your PC or Mac computer. DroidKit is a complete Android solution for all Android issues, including data recovery, screen unlock, FPR bypass, system fix, data management, and so on and so forth. With DroidKit, you can easily recover 13 types of data such as photos, messages, WhatsApp, videos, and more than that. DroidKit supports plus 20,000 Android devices of all brands, believes the more recovery measures guarantee the higher recovery success rates. Check the information link in our description if you want to get more info. Now let us show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on Android with DroidKit easily. Simply connect your phone via USB or Type-C cable to the computer and launch DroidKit application. Then go to Recover Lost Data feature and choose WhatsApp recovery option. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to make preparations before scanning and recovering WhatsApp data. Then you can preview all your WhatsApp chats and retrieve what you really need and choose where you wish to save your deleted chats, to device or to computer. And here you go, just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.